And now it's the full one we just show as a showcase. You take out your thread from here. Oh, and if it's stuck like this, it's bad. You have to redo it anyway. And you clean up here the space because you will sew very fast and nothing gets attached inside. You put your bobbin here. You take the thread out all the way and you have to put it back afterwards. You move it to the right thing. And it's important that it's in this position and not in the other one. You put it through the hole. And afterwards move this back in place. You go here, down, through the hole. And then around the metal plates. And in this machine, we have to pull it between the metal plates. Normally you wouldn't do it, but this machine needs somehow extra tension. So you only do it in this machine, nowhere else. And here you have to push this one to the front. And then you put the thread around the empty bobbin. Like this, you can hold a little bit, but not too long so it doesn't get crazy. And then you just sew, like usually, and it will start putting it. And after some time, you can do it super fast. And after some time, now it looks very messy, it shouldn't look like this. You test with the scissor and push. If the thread is loose or it looks crazy or it's not super tight, it's wrong, and then you have to cut it all off again, throw it into the trash and do it again. And usually it's because it's not tight in between these things. So then, yeah, it should be fairly tight. Like you can see here, when you push, there's nothing loose. It's completely tight around the bobbin, and that's how it should be for this machine. And you cannot use this one in the other machine, only here, and vice versa.